Hey everyone, welcome back. After clearing up GMT, Pilot, and Tourbillon, we're tackling three more that cause endless confusion. Chronograph versus Diver versus Moonphase. What most people get wrong and why it matters in 2026. Rolex Daytonas command big premiums. Submariners are everyday icons, and Moonphases add poetic beauty. But many chase the hype without knowing the real purpose, or if it fits their life. We'll explain simply for beginners, then give the honest collector truth. Let's break it down. If you're new, a complication is any extra function beyond basic time telling. Automatic movements wind from your wrist motion. Chronograph equals built-in stopwatch. Diver equals rugged underwater tool watch. Moonphase equals shows the current lunar cycle. People often confuse style with function. In 2026, with stable secondary markets and strong Rolex sports models, knowing the real differences helps you buy smarter and enjoy more. Chronograph lets you start, stop, and reset a timer using side pushers, usually with subdials. The Rolex Daytona is the legend. Its tachymeter bezel measures speed, perfect for racing. Analogy: it's a stopwatch on your wrist for workouts, cooking, or timing laps. Myth: it's only for racers. Reality: many use it daily. In 2026, steel Daytonas stay strong on the secondary market thanks to heritage and versatility. Diver watches feature a unidirectional bezel for timing and high water resistance, 300 meters plus. The Rolex Submariner is the benchmark: tough, legible, luminous for low light. Common mistake: thinking you need one only for scuba diving. Truth: they're excellent daily drivers because they're durable and versatile. The bezel times anything from parking to workouts. In 2026, divers, including colorful or smaller sizes, offer great value and hold well. Moonphase displays the lunar cycle via a rotating disc. It's an old complication rooted in astronomy, poetic rather than practical. Many call it useless. My phone shows the moon. But it adds mechanical beauty and joy. Watching the moon move feels special. In 2026, accessible Moonphases and elegant versions, like potential Rolex 1908 ideas, reward collectors who value emotion over pure function. A quick head-to-head: Chronograph equals measure intervals, practical timing. Diver equals durability plus everyday toughness. Moonphase equals romantic beauty, less functional, more emotional. They can overlap, but each shines differently. What I got wrong: I chased a flashy chronograph but rarely used the stopwatch. A reliable diver became my daily because it handled real life. Moonphase showed me that sometimes useless beauty brings the most joy. For 2026, Daytona chronographs remain hot, Submariner-style divers give strong value, and Moonphases suit those who love the story. Beginner tip: choose based on your routine, timing needs, active lifestyle, or emotional appeal. Research pre-owned and try watches on. What's your pick? Chronograph, Diver, or Moonphase? Which myth surprised you? Comment below. I read every one. If this cleared things up with the right mix of hype and real talk, hit like, subscribe for more What Most People Get Wrong videos, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.